Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Sanobar, your gate architecture mentor at Safal together. In today's video, we'll talk about something every aspirants need to hear. The most common mistakes students make while preparing for gate architecture and planning. If you can avoid these, you are already 50% ahead of others. So, mistake 1, without a study plan. The biggest mistake, jumping into preparation without a roadmap. Many students start solving questions randomly or pick topics in no order. But GATE needs strategy, not just enthusiasm. Always begin understanding the syllabus, the exam pattern, and making a weekly study plan. A good start saves months of confusion. So the solution is map out the entire gate architecture syllabus systematically, create weekly target with specific topics and milestone, set realistic daily study goals and align with your schedule, track progress weekly and adjust as needed. Pro tips, break down complex subjects like building construction, architecture design into smaller manageable chunks, allocate more time to high weightage topics. Mistake 2, ignoring previous year questions. Another year common mistake, ignoring previous year question. Remember, 60 to 70% gate questions come from the same concept asked before. Previous year teach you what to study, what to skip, and how deeply to go into each topic. So don't you read theory, solve and analyze at least the last 10 years of paper. Pattern recognition, concept depth, smart preparation. Previous year questions aren't just practice material, they are your blueprint to understand gate architecture DNAs. Analyze at least 5 to 7 years or 10 years of paper to identify trends in building material, climate responsive design, and architectural history. Memorizing instead of understanding. Why this kills your score? Because gate architecture doesn't reward rote learning. Questions are designed to test application analysis and problem solving, not your ability to recall definition. Build true understanding. Ask why and how for every concept you study. Connect theory to real world architecture example. Practice applying to concept to solve diverse problem. Teach concept to peer to reinforce understanding. When you understand climate responsive design principle, you can solve any question on orientation, shading, or passive cooling, regardless of how it's framed. Mistake number 4, poor time management. Start early. Begin your preparation at least 8 to 10 months before GATE AR. Last minute cramming doesn't work for the exam's comprehensive syllabus. Set deadline. Create monthly milestone for completing major subjects. Track your progress and identify lagging areas immediately. Stay consistent. Daily 4 to 5 hours focused, beat erratic 10-hour marathons. Consistency build retention and reduce burnout. Mistake 5, neglecting regular revision. The forgetting curves is real. Research show we forgot up to 70% of new information within 20 hours without revision. In gate architecture vast syllabus, this can be catastrophic. Build a revision system. Dedicate one full day each week exclusively to revision. Create concise flashcards for formulas, standards, and key facts. Maintain digital or handwritten note for quick review. Use spaced repetition. Review topic after one day or 1 week or 1 month. Recommendation from me, color code your notes by subject. Keeps a separate quick revision notebook with only essential formulas, NBC code, and critical concept for last week preparation. Mistake 6, skipping mock test. It increases 3 times performance boost, 50 plus recommended test Take at least 50 full-length mock tests in last 3 months before gate architecture. 180 time mastery. Practice complete the entire paper within the actual exam duration to build speed and accuracy. That is 3 hour durations. Mock tests aren't just practice, they are your dress rehearsal. They expose weak areas, improve time management, and build exam temperament. Analyze every mock thoroughly, identify pattern in errors, understand why you forgot question wrong, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Mistake 7, going solo without guidance. Why mentorship matters. Gate architecture is a marathon, not a sprint. Expert guidance help you avoid common pitfall and preparation dead ends. Get personalized feedback on your weak areas. Stay motivated through the challenging month. Access curated study material and strategy. Join Safal together Warrior Batch, get structured coaching, expert mentorship, and a community of focus gate aspirant. Our proven methodology has helped hundreds of students achieve their target score in gate architecture and planning. Your gate architecture success checklist, strategic study plan, master previous year questions, deep conceptual understanding, discipline time management, regular revision routine, and a mock test practice with expert guidance. Avoid mistakes, stay focused, achieve your dream. So, to recap, plan smartly, focus on concept solve, previous year question, revise regularly, and smoother, smarter, and for more successful results. If you want personal guidance and topic wise classes for architecture and planning, join me on Suffer Together Warrior Batch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gate architecture guidance and strategy video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.